More than 50,000 Indian students went to Germany last year. But here's the truth. Many students didn't even get an admit. Germany is one of the hottest destinations right now for Indian students. Free education, top universities, access to all of Europe, and thanks to Trump,
Stop bringing in people to take our jobs.
Germany is even more attractive. But this doesn't mean that the process is easy. A wrong SOP, a bad CV, or a missed deadline, and your favorite university just rejects you. That's why in this video, I'll break down the exact timeline for the winter semester 2026 month by month so that you know what to prepare and when to prepare. So if you want to be one of those 50,000 people, let's start. Research terms and conditions की तरह है. Nobody wants to go through it. But it is very important if you want to study abroad. Students usually think, oh, there is data science in University A and B. Both are the same courses. No. LHS is not equal to RHS. The course name might be similar, but they will be teaching you completely different things. So let's say you sit in October, first go to DAR's website and start shortlisting your courses which are related to your degree or your work. And don't just write down names in a Google Doc, track them properly with all the details. Course name, university name, requirements, documents, deadlines, important links, and everything else. And if you want to copy this format, you can. It's in the description. Shortlist 15 to 20 courses because at the end of this process, you will not only have an idea of all the details, but also the exams you have to appear for. All of these are the exams you need to study in Germany, and chill, you don't have to give all of them. First are aptitude exams like Test AS and GRE. Test AS is for bachelors, GRE is for masters. More and more top universities in Germany have started asking for GRE because it helps them filter out applications. So if you have to appear for one of these exams, you better start preparing early because you cannot crack them in 2 weeks. If you want to know more about the Test AS or the GRE exam, we have covered them already in many videos. I'll link them in the description. Second are language exams for English, which are IELTS or TOEFL, and for German, which can be a certification from Goethe or TELC. Depending on your course, you have to submit a language certificate, so you need the results before the application window opens. November to January are the perfect months to appear for these exams, so start preparing in advance because you have to book the slots for the exams as well. Next, we have the APS certificate, and it is mandatory for university applications. It is a proof of authenticity for your educational documents in India, and if you want a detailed step-by-step guide on how to apply for the APS certificate, the video is linked in description. For masters, you have to apply with your 6th or 7th sem result if you are in a 4-year course, or with your 4th and 5th semester results if you are in a 3-year bachelor's course. For bachelors, if you are going for the Studienkolleg, you need the 10th and 12th result, but if you are directly going after 1 year in India, you need the 2-semester results as well. The entire process usually takes around a month, but apply as soon as you can because you need this for university applications. March to July is the period where everything you have prepared for so far comes together in one piece. The application window is different for different courses and universities, but remember this one thing: the earlier you apply, the better your chances are. Also double check how you're supposed to apply to universities. Some universities have their own portal, but others use UniAssist, which is a service they use to process international student applications. The deadline for winter semester is 15 July, but many universities close their admission portal in March or April, so do your research well. To make things easier for you, there is a document checklist below which outlines all the documents you need to study in Germany for both applications and visa. Link in description. Now comes the most important part of your process, your visa application. The visa process has changed this year, and now you have to apply online on the CSP portal and then go for the VFS appointment. So as soon as you receive your admit in April, May, June, whenever, immediately upload your documents on the portal and start the process. Out of all the documents for your visa, the most important one is your blocked account. You have to make sure that the blocked account provider is safe, secure, and the process is online and quick. You cannot afford any delays, and that's that's where Expatrio helps you out. Expatrio is a really good option if you're looking to open your blocked account, and if you take their value package, firstly, you get a German blocked account accepted by all German authorities. You also get a 90 euros cashback with TK Flex health insurance. You get free incoming travel insurance worth up to 95 euros, which is mandatory for your visa. You also get a free bank account and a digital debit card for all your needs in Germany. And you also get a free digital Isaac card worth up to 18 euros, which provides a lot of offers and discounts for students. So if you want to open your blocked account with Expatrio, you can sign up with the first link in the description. Also, if you want to know how to apply on the CSP portal for your visa, there's a video linked in the description, which is a detailed step-by-step guide. Delays have become a norm for winter semester applications, so make sure all your documents are ready so that you can apply as soon as your admit arrives. So if you look at the entire timeline from researching to booking your flights, it is 12 months. That means if you're planning for winter semester 2026, start now. I'm not saying it's impossible to do in 6 months, but you would have to rush your exams, prepare all the documents in a hurry, and with these many moving parts, you are probably going to make a mistake. And remember, one mistake can cost you up to 6 months or even a whole year. So if at any point you have any doubts, we are here to help you. DM us on Instagram or send us a mail on bharat@bharatingermany.com and we'll help you with whatever doubt you have. There are also free resources in the description, including a basic admission requirements PDF, which outlines everything you need to know about studying in Germany. Make sure you check that out.